morning, guys. What are you doing? Yeah? What are you doing, guys? Huh? What are you doing, buddy? Huh? Yeah, you're used to being petted now. Hey, little chickens. Yeah. What about you? Huh? Huh? And you? What are you doing, guys? What are you doing? Hanging out? You on camera? Huh? Yeah. Looking at it? Smile for the camera, boys. Ladies and gentlemen. Hi, guys. Oh, there's a hair in there. That's not good. Huh, that's not good. Hey, peepers. Wanna peck me? Wanna peck me? Hi, guys. What are you doing, babies? Peep, peep. I like you. You're little. Yeah. Getting fluffy, guys. Yeah. You guys have like no balance. Because you were born last night. Don't peck at her. That's not nice. Don't do that. Don't peck at your sister. Hey, stop it. You guys are mean. Peck at each other. Peep, 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 peep. Will you stop pecking at everybody's head, you little jerk? God. You asshole. What are you guys doing, huh? What are you doing? Stop pecking at her head. You're a jerk, you know that? You're a mean bird. Hey, Frank, we got a mean one. Frank. Right here. Come here. Hey. You standing on everybody? What are you doing? You're standing on everybody.